A question I constantly get asked by buyers is, Joel, can you help us find something close to the beach? Well, here at 8 Naroma Court in Coolum Beach, it's just that. We're in a quiet cul-de-sac on 750 square metres, and we're a really short walk to the beach, shops, and Schumer's Creek. Let's take a look inside this beautiful home. Thanks so much for watching. This home's been in the family for over 30 years and it comes with lots of memories, but now it's time for someone else to create their own. Please don't hesitate to contact me for your own private tour, otherwise we'll see you at the next open home.